Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome back to our channel Nikhil's Learning World. This is our Kotlin programming series and today we will learn extension function. In the previous session we have seen what the function in Kotlin. Alright, now today we will learn extension function. So what extension function? Extension means you understand. Hope you understand. Extension means we are extending the function. Okay. So have you ever wanted to add a new function to an existing class, but you don't or you can't modify the class itself? That by using the extension function. An extension function is a function that extends an existing class. Okay, it's defined outside the class and it called as if it were a member function. Okay, it can be called as if it were a member function. That is the main feature of the extension functions. Okay, the basic syntax. If you want the extension function in a simple way, you can understand a function, class name and function name, whatever the parameters you can pass, and the return type. For example, you can see in function string dot add exclamation colon string, and it will be written as a string format. Okay, so what happened in this extension function, we will return a string, that is exclamation operator. All right, so the key concept, this keyword inside the extension function, this is referred to an object calling the function. For example, function string dot print length and print ln this dot length. Okay, so inside the extension function, this is referred to object calling function. Okay, it will calling the object in the function, right? Next is why use of extension function. So by using the extension function, we have to need to modify the original class. Okay, by using the original class without modifying that code, we are extending with the extension function. Okay, a class is from a library. Class is a final, cannot be inherited, and by using the extension function, cleaner and readable code. Instead of utility.format name, you can just write name.format. Okay, the string will be directly formatted by using this single line of code. Okay, extension function with parameters. To the extension function, we can pass the parameters as well. Okay, so in this example, you can see integer dot add a number. X is an integer. It will be return function this integer in format. Return this plus x. What happened here? Whatever the x values are sending to that function as a parameter, it will be the add. Okay, and it will return. So 5 dot add a number in bracket 3. So this is referred to the 5. Okay, so this here we refer to 5, and whatever the sending parameter as a 3, it will be added into 5. That is the result will be 8. Okay, hope you understand. So extension as a property you can use in Kotlin to support this extension as a property. For example, string dot last character, and it will return character get this dot length -1. So it will be print last character, that is Kotlin. This is a keyword key as a string, and last character as n. N will be print. In this way, we can use extension as a property. Okay, so extension function on nullable type. Okay, you can extend nullable types too. For example, function string safe length colon integer return this dot length. Okay, so what happened here, if you are not sending any parameter, it will be sent as a 0. It's not nullable. Okay, so nullable type. Okay, So next is function versus extension function. The major difference is normal function we can modify it, okay, but extension function we are not modifying that, okay. So the defined inside a class, the normal function, extension function we cannot define inside a class. Always we have to write that extension function with the outside class. Access by object, both we can extension function and normal function we can access with object. And syntax object dot function, object dot function. So same syntax is same when we are comparing a normal function to the extension function, okay. So in the extension function, like access private members of class, override extension method, and add actual state that is filled. So this cannot happen with the extension function. Final summary on extension function, like extension function, you are extending existing class without any returns, improve readability and maintainability, are statically resolved, do not actually modify the class. These are the summary on the extension function. Hope you understand on this extension function, okay. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can comment me on this session, and we will see in the next session in infix function and operator overloading, okay. This is very important concept regarding the function in Kotlin. We will see you in the next session. This is Nikhil signing off.